Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see who viewed your thread on Thread app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Thread application. So once you open, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner. And here you can see my sample thread because I recently joined Thread. So here I am going to click on my thread and click on this, and from here you can see the like count. So basically once you see your like count, you have an idea that who liked this, because I like my thread. And the other way is that you can see the comments that people do on your thread. So this is the only method possible now that you can see who viewed your thread on Thread app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.